The PST file size can increase up to numerous gigabytes due to the storage of large attachments. The diverse Outlook users have a size limit for accessing the PST files, which may cause issues in the files. Even it leads to a high risk of file corruption. To prevent this, users must compact and compress the PST files by removing their attachments or making the attachments in the compressed form. For all these actions, we have the perfect solution for you. Presenting DRS PST Compress Tool. It works in an ultra-rapid way and is capable to compress oversized Outlook PST files and generate more than the assumed space to save new data. It supports different PST files created by all the editions of MS Outlook. The PST Compact tool is available for all versions of Windows. Some of the key features of the DRS PST Compress tool are: the software compacts or compresses single or multiple PST files at a time. Shrink PST size without installing MS Outlook. Reduce PST file size to the minimum possible extent without any data loss. Supports to compress both ANSI and Unicode PST file size. Easily compress PST emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and other PST email items. To download the software, you may visit www.datarecoverysolutions.com/pstcompress.php. Here, download and install the software. Now let's learn how the software works to reduce PST file size. As you launch the DRS PST Compress tool on your Windows machine, click Demo from the first screen of the tool. After reading the demo limitations, click OK. Choose the single file or multiple file option. Click the Browse button to locate the PST file from your computer. Now click the Open button to add PST files, provide a log and temporary file path. Click Next. Select the PST items that you need to compress. You can check the PST file properties as shown. After selecting PST items, click the Next button to move further in the process. Now choose Compact all attachments in the new PST file if you want to compress attachments of your PST files. The second option allows you to remove the unnecessary attachments and save them in a separate folder on your computer. The third option offers to compress PST data by removing all the unnecessary attachments from the PST files. The fourth option of this tool offers to remove attachments from the PST file and compress and save them in a separate folder. After selecting the Compress PST option, now choose the path to save the output file. Hit the Convert button to start the PST compression process. Now the PST compress procedure is running. Do not interrupt till the process gets completed. After the process gets finished, you can download the status report for future reference. In the end, close and exit the software. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe to the channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.